Welcome to JH. The Toning Pro wireless EMS trainer claims to be your portable, all-in-one shortcut to shredded arms and legs. It promises quick and effective workouts anytime, anywhere, without the minor inconvenience of lifting heavy weights or actually spending time at the gym. Because why bother with physical effort when you can just vibrate your way to a six-pack, right? But before you throw away your gym membership, we need to see if this thing is actually legit or just another piece of plastic destined for your junk drawer. The website boldly boasts over 100,000 happy users, which sounds incredibly impressive until you realize they could only find a handful of actual reviews to show for it. Apparently, the other 99,000 users are far too busy being fit to leave a comment. When we checked platforms like Trustpilot, the tone shifted from happy to horrified pretty quickly. Many users are reporting that the Toning Pro is an outright scam, with people being hit by subscription charges they never agreed to. It's less of a muscle stimulator and more of a bank account stimulator. The horror stories continue with customers receiving the wrong items, or, in many cases, absolutely nothing at all. Customer support is reportedly about as responsive as a brick wall, leaving refunds delayed or non-existent. Some users were even forced to cancel their credit cards just to stop the mystery charges from draining their accounts. It's a great way to get your heart rate up, though mostly from the sheer panic of financial identity theft. The product also claims to use scientifically backed EMS technology trusted by professional athletes. However, there is zero evidence provided to back up these lofty claims. They suggest you can transform your body in just 10 to 20 minutes a day, which is a lovely fairy tale for anyone who hates the treadmill. Building real muscle usually requires actual work and time, but I guess marketing magic is a much easier sell. The website is plastered with buzzwords and promises of results within a month, but it feels more like desperate hype than a proven fitness plan. Even their live chat is just a collection of automated replies, making real help about as easy to find as a polite person on social media. With so many red flags, unauthorized charges, and a total lack of proof, this device is a hard pass. If you're thinking of buying one, you might want to think twice and save yourself the headache. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and honest insights on products that are usually too good to be true.